Adikeshav Reddy. Got? So according to Huckel's rule, how many pi electrons must be there? 2 pi, 6 pi, 10 pi. So you have to increase by 4 pi electrons. Okay. So whatever we have discussed here, what is that? What were there? These are what? Carbocyclic aromatic. Carbocyclic aromatic. Whereas furan, thiophene, pyridine, okay, pyrrole are heterocyclic. ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి ఇవాళ రేపు నవడేస్ ఇన్ సిటీ ఒక సిటీ అండి ప్రపంచం మొత్తంలో ఒక కెమికల్ చాలా ఫేమస్ యునో డ్యూ టు కరోనా వన్ కెమికల్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఫేమస్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ టెల్ మీ అండ్ ఇండియా స్టూడ్ number 1 to export that chemical substance which is a drug. Tell me. And that drug only can cure sulfur. No, the drug can cure or can kill the Plasmodium vivax or Plasmodium falciparum. Cheppandi, I have given lot of information about this, but I did not open the name of that chemical substance. Hydrochloric acid, no. ఇవాళ రేపు కనిపించేది hydroxychloroquine famous because it is used to cure the COVID-19. Hydroxychloroquine, okay, yes or not? The hydroxychloroquine is used to treat malaria, yes or not? It is used to treat malaria fever, and I hope you know that being BPC, the malaria fever is due to Plasmodium vivax or Plasmodium falciparum. Avuna protozoan. Yes, okay. So here the hydroxychloroquine contain quinoline, where quinoline is benzenoid heterocyclic aromatic compound. Tarvata istan. Okay, in next video I'll give you. Okay, now we'll go for the anti-aromatic. So what are these anti-aromatic? Anti-aromatic or say anti-aromatic. Anti means opposite. Okay, anti-aromatic or anti-aromatic. Now see here, these also must contain cyclic structure. Okay, these also must contain cyclic structure like aromatic. These also must contain planar structure like aromatic, means flat structure. These also must contain conjugated pi system. Okay, conjugated pi system. These three factors are same. Then from here difference. Okay, this will do not obey Huckel's rule. Okay, anti-aromatic do not obey Huckel's rule. If it is any cyclic hydrocarbon and its derivative cyclic, planar, conjugated obeys Huckel's rule called as aromatic. And because of aromatic, it is highly stable. Compared to its open chain structure. So these compounds are what? Highly unstable. Where aromatic compounds are highly stable, have least energy. But these compounds, anti-aromatic, have very high energy. Means these are highly unstable. Because they have lot of energy, high energy. And we know that any compound having pi bond, which is having pi bond is unstable because of pi bond is weaker bond. So anti-aromatic, because of pi bond, they are being unstable, they undergo electrophilic addition reaction. Whereas aromatic compound never undergo electrophilic addition, they undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. అర్థమవుతుందా? aromatic అయితే electrophilic substitution జరుగుతుంది, అడిషన్ జరగదు. అడిషన్ జరగాలంటే చాలా కష్టపడాలి, నువ్వు బయట నుంచి ఎంతో ఎనర్జీ పెడితే అప్పుడు ఆ పై బాండ్ నీ చేతికి దొరుకుతుంది. బికాస్ ఇన్ aromatic compound the position of pi bond is not fixed. Yes or not? Because in aromatic compounds the pi bond is continuously in a movement. అర్థమవుతుందా? అంటే పై బాండ్ తిరుగుతుంది కాబట్టి మనము ఆ పై బాండ్ ని బ్రేక్ చేయడానికి అది మన చేతిలోకి దొరకట్లేదు. అర్థమవుతుందా? Whereas here in the anti-aromatic, the delocalization is very less, slow. Okay. So therefore, the pi bond is easily caught and can be broken and added with a reagent. Understand? So anti-aromatic are highly unstable due to poor delocalization. Poor delocalization undergoes addition. And at the same time, these anti-aromatic do not obey Huckel's rule. They obey the anti-Huckel's rule, that is 4 and pi. Okay, 4 and pi rule. Okay, 4 and pi rule. They obey the 4 and pi rule. And here see, very, very important. Very, very important. In this 4 and pi, the n, okay, n. In the case of C beta, in the case of Huckel's rule, that is 4n plus 2, we have taken the n from a 0. Yes or not? N from a 0. But here in the anti-aromatic, we have to take n from 1. Okay? So its values are 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. But not 0. N is not equal to 0. Is that clear? So it is having highly energy, therefore highly unstable. So always aromatic compounds are highly stable due to resonance. Resonance is delocalization of pi bonds. Delocalization of pi bonds of conjugated pi bonds. Okay. And here these are what anti-aromatic compounds. అర్థమైందా? And ఇక్కడ చూడండి. Here also any cyclic compound which is planar, which is having conjugate pi system, if it is obeying the 4 and pi rule, means it must have, listen here, it must have this number of electrons. ఈ electrons ఉండాలి. చూడండి ఇక్కడ. Here n is no more equal to 0. When n is not equal to 0, so what can be least value of n beta? n వచ్చేసి 1, 2, 3, 4. n 0 కాదని చెప్పేస్తున్నాం. సో n లీస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుంది బేటా? త్వరగా చెప్పాలి. 1. కాబట్టి in the case of Huckel's rule, we have taken the n equal to 0. Because of n equal to 0, it begins with a 2 pi electron. Now here it begins with 4 pi electrons. It begins with 4 pi electron. The next increase by 4. That is 8 pi electrons. Okay. So any compound having 4 pi electrons, 8 pi electrons. Next increase by 4. Increase by 4. Next 4 pi తర్వాత 8 pi. 8 pi తర్వాత త్వరగా చెప్పాలి. 8 pi తర్వాత 12 pi. Okay. So increase by 4. Next number after 12 pi, 16 pi. So on. So any compound which is cyclic, planar and conjugated but obeys 4 and pi electron, means having 4 pi electrons, 8 pi electrons, 12 pi electrons or 16 pi, so on. That is called anti-aromatic, in which aromatic nature is less. Aromatic nature means delocalization of pi bonds in conjugated mechanism is less, which is called aromaticity or resonance. Resonance is less. Therefore, resonance is less means energy in the molecule is more. Energy in the molecule is more. So energy is more means highly unstable. So the pi bond can be easily caught by reagent and undergoes addition reaction. But aromatic compounds undergo electrophilic substitution reactions. Is that clear? Then here also you may have benzenoid, non-benzenoid, then heterocyclic or homocyclic. Next, before going to the examples of anti-aromatic, we'll go for non-aromatic. We'll go for the non-aromatic. See beta here. Non-aromatic. Very simple. Non-aromatic means which is not aromatic. Which is not aromatic. Simply remember, these are not aromatic. These are not aromatic. And these are not anti-aromatic also. అంటే ఇవి aromatic కావు యాంటీ అరోమాటిక్ కావు. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఎందుకు ఎందుకు బికాస్ మనకి 4 రూల్స్ కంపల్సరీ. ఎస్ ఆర్ నాట్? నాన్ అరోమాటిక్, not aromatic and not anti-aromatic. Okay, now here see how you describe aromatic or anti-aromatic. The compulsory quality is to be present in aromatic and anti-aromatic. What? 3 properties. What is that? Cyclic. The compound must be cyclic. The compound must be chaptina. Okay, the compound must be planar. The compound must be planar. The compound must be conjugated. The compound must be conjugated. So along with this, okay, these are compulsory. Yes or not? To be aromatic and to be anti-aromatic, the compound must be cyclic, planar, conjugated pi system. Okay, along with this, if it is having Huckel's rule, 4n plus 2 pi electrons is said to be aromatic. If it is along with the compound, if it is along with the cyclic, planar, conjugated pi system, if it is having 4n pi electrons is called as anti-aromatic. Is that clear? Now the non-aromatic means these are not aromatic, these are not anti-aromatic. Mari emundi madam chudandi ikkada. Here for very clarity, they are not aromatic, they are not anti-aromatic means see here. The cyclic compounds must have these properties. Along with that, if it is obeying 4n plus 2 pi electrons or 4n pi is sold. Okay, 4n pi, then you can say it is aromatic, anti-aromatic. But out of this four, listen carefully. Out of this 4 means cyclic. Okay, out of the cyclic, one of the 4. Okay, out of this 4, if anything is lost, any property is not matching, ante cyclic undali, cyclic ledu. Planar undali, planar ledu. Okay, conjugated pi system undali, conjugate pi system ledu. And 4n plus 2 pi electrons undali, ledu. 4n pi electrons undali, ledu. ఓకేనా? ఏదో ఒకటైన ప్రాపర్టీ కూడా మ్యాచ్ అవ్వకపోతే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? అది aromatic కాదు, యాంటీ అరోమాటిక్ కాదు. అంటే అనుకోండి, సైక్లిక్ ఉంది, ప్లేనార్ ఉంది, కాంజుగేటెడ్ ఉంది, అర్థమైందా? కానీ 4n plus 2 ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ లేదు, aromatic కాదు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ సైక్లిక్ ఉంది, ప్లేనార్ ఉంది, కాంజుగేటెడ్ పై సిస్టమ్ ఉంది, 4n పై ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ లేవు, అంటే యాంటీ అరోమాటిక్ కాదు. అంటే ఈ 4 ప్రాపర్టీస్ లో ఏదో ఒకటి లేకపోయినా, అన్ని లేకపోయినా నాన్ అరోమాటిక్. అర్థమైందా? అంటే ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, 4n plus 2 pi ఉంది, ఓకే, కాంజుగేటెడ్ సిస్టమ్ ఉంది, కానీ ప్లేనార్ స్ట్రక్చర్ కాదు. అర్థమవుతుందా? ప్లేనార్ స్ట్రక్చర్ కాదు, ఓకే, ఫ్లాట్ గా లేదు, అప్పుడు నాన్ అరోమాటిక్. లేదా 4n plus 2 pi ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, కాంజుగేటెడ్ సిస్టమ్ ఉంది, కానీ సైక్లిక్ కాదు, నాన్ అరోమాటిక్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ లేదా సైక్లిక్ ఉంది, ప్లేనార్ ఉంది, కానీ కాంజుగేటెడ్ పై సిస్టమ్ లేదు, aromatic కాదు, యాంటీ అరోమాటిక్ కాదు, నాన్ అరోమాటిక్. ఓకే, దేర్ ఆర్ సో మెనీ టైప్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఓకే, ఉంటే అన్ని లక్షణాలు ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, ఓకే, సైక్లిక్, ప్లేనార్, కాంజుగేటెడ్ అలాంగ్ విత్ 4n plus 2 pi aromatic, cyclic, planar, conjugate pi system with 4n pi యాంటీ అరోమాటిక్. ఈ 5 ప్రాపర్టీస్ లో ఏదో ఒకటి మిస్ అయినా, అన్ని మిస్ అయినా నాన్ అరోమాటిక్. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఓకే, అన్ని మిస్ అయినా, ఏదో 1 2 మిస్ అయినా నాన్ అరోమాటిక్. అండ్ రిమెంబర్, the non-aromatic compound can be, I want answer. If you answer me, please tell me beta. Can be aliphatic, yes or not? Can be aliphatic. Alicyclic means aliphatic cyclic compound. Okay, yes. So see here, oh inka bolded in the example chadadaniki, oh lot of there. Okay, so see here. So the non-aromatic is not aromatic, is not anti-aromatic, but it can be two things. What is that? If it is non-cyclic, ring kadu. If it is non-cyclic, then it is called as what? Non-cyclic, ring ledu. But it's called acyclic. It's called as acyclic. If it is no ring, it's called as acyclic. Acyclic. Okay, no ring. Okay, that is not cyclic. Okay, so it is acyclic, simply called as aliphatic. Simply called as aliphatic. Acyclic compounds, if it is not cyclic, if any non-aromatic compound do not contain ring cycle, then it is acyclic or aliphatic. Or any non-aromatic compound which is cyclic, is called as alicyclic. Alicyclic, okay, alicyclic, okay, which is also non-aromatic. Ardhamainda? So please tell me, cyclohexane, aromatic, anti-aromatic, or non-aromatic? Cyclohexane, non-aromatic. And in non-aromatic, is it acyclic or alicyclic? Cyclohexane, non-aromatic. Very good. Is it acyclic or alicyclic? Alicyclic, because aliphatic, cyclic. Okay, na? So acyclic means A standing for opposite. Possible, impossible annattu. Ardhamautundamma? So we'll see some examples now. I hope you understand. Okay. Very simple topic. Now see. See all of you. What is this one? What is this one? What is this one? Twaraga. It is butane. Is it cyclic? Not cyclic. Dinka cycle ledu. And is it planar carbons? All the carbons are sp3. Okay, means it is not cyclic. It is not cyclic. And it is not planar. It is not planar because all the carbons are sp3 here. sp3. And is it having the alternate double bonds? No, it is not conjugated. It is not conjugated. And no 4n plus 2 pi electrons, or no 4n pi. Okay, no 4n pi electrons. Therefore, what is this one? It is non-cyclic. It is what? Non-cyclic. Okay, it is non-cyclic aromatic. Okay, non-cyclic, non-aromatic. Non-cyclic, non-aromatic. Got it? And such compound is called as acyclic compound. Acyclic. Cyclic adu. Simply it is aliphatic. Simply it is aliphatic. Got it? And next, మీకు బోర్డ్ షేప్ లో cyclooctatetraene రావాలి. ఇంకా టైం ఉంది చెప్తాను. Okay, I sent already note. Next, see here. What is this beta? Cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. It is cyclic. Okay, it is cyclic. Okay, cyclic okate undi. Is it planar? No planarity. Okay, no planarity. No conjugated system. No conjugated pi system. And no Huckel's-Rule 4n plus 2 pi ledu. And no 4n pi electron ledu. Therefore, once again, chudandi, in previous one, all the criteria is not there. Therefore, non-aromatic. And in second one, only one of them is there. Therefore, non-aromatic. లేదా అన్ని ఉండి ఏదో ఒక ప్రాపర్టీ లేకపోయినా non-aromatic. Did you got this point, all of you? అర్థమైందా? Did you follow this? You have class, I know. ఉన్న వాళ్ళు చెప్పండి వదిలేస్తా 1 minute కేం కాదు ఇక్కడ. Okay, did you got this point? Yes, very simple. Okay, to be, first of all, to be aromatic and non-aromatic, the compulsory are what? 3: cyclic, planar, conjugated. Along with this 4n plus 2 pi aromatic. Along with this cyclic, planar and conjugate pi system, 4n pi anti-aromatic. If all are this missing or any of them is missing, non-aromatic. The non-aromatic can be open chain aliphatic. If any non-aromatic with a cyclic, alicyclic. Okay, then I will explain some more examples in next class. Okay, thank you.